Sources are telling the information that Apple is building at least 2 iPhone prototypes that fold widthwise. The devices are in early development and not set for production in 2024 or 2025, so we'll have to wait a while if we ever do see them. Quote, Apple recently approached at least one manufacturer in Asia for components related to 2 foldable iPhones of different sizes, they said. The products could be canceled if they don't meet Apple's standards, they said. Apple has explored foldable products for more than a decade, but its leaders' interest in them has fluctuated according to interviews with multiple former Apple employees and a review of its patent filings. Apple CEO Tim Cook began asking the company's designers and engineers about the possibility of a foldable iPhone as early as 2018. Also that year, he reacted positively to a demonstration by Apple's designers and engineers of a 7-inch foldable display, that person said. 2 problems may stand in the way of a foldable iPhone. Apple's engineers have struggled for years to overcome the technical challenges of building such a device, and its designers haven't come up with enough compelling features that would make consumers want one, especially given its high retail cost compared to non-foldable phones, according to 3 people with direct knowledge of the effort. Former Apple employees said Apple's first foldable product would likely be the iPad, a lower-profile device that would test consumer appetite for a foldable iPhone. Apple has been working with South Korea's LG and Samsung, both of which have been involved for several years in making foldable displays for the foldable iPad prototypes, they said. Some details of a foldable iPad were first reported by Chinese, Taiwanese, and South Korean media, end quote. Apparently, the original vision for a foldable iPhone had screens on the outside when closed, but this proved to be a non-starter. The primary concern for the hardware team was the device's susceptibility to damage from falls. They also aimed to create a foldable iPhone with a sleeker profile, targeting a thickness reduction by 50% compared to existing models. However, this goal proved to be challenging due to the size constraints of batteries and display technologies. Around 2020, according to the sources, Apple shifted its focus from iPhones to the development of a foldable iPad, envisioned to be close in size to the iPad mini. This change in direction was partly due to the device's use case. The foldable iPad, potentially with an 8-inch screen, wouldn't need to fit into pockets or meet the rigorous drop test standards of iPhones, allowing for a thicker design. An ex-Apple employee noted that engineers are currently tackling specific problems related to the persistent crease that appears with continuous folding. Additionally, there's an ongoing effort to refine the hinge mechanism to enable the device to lay flat when unfolded, eliminating any bumps or dips that would interfere with the functionality of the Apple Pencil.